Right, I have a JBC station here. It's quite an old one. It's a hot air station by JBC. This video should help anyone with JBC equipment. Turn it on, you press this button and it heats up. And turn it off, you press it again. So it's pretty simple functions. But round the back here, sorry about the camera work, it's a bit shaky, you see my hand. Right, at the back of all JBC equipment, you should have a foot pedal socket. On the back here, it's got the old style one. On the newer one, it's got a different type, but you can do it on the newer ones as well. So yeah, hopefully this video helps anyone out with JBC equipment. I'll be doing it on this station as well, but I'll be doing that off camera. Some people may say, why not just buy one from JBC? Here's the reason why, because as you can see, they're very expensive. This one here is £198, including VAT. So yeah, it's way overpriced in my opinion for foot pedal. They do three different types. This is the one for the irons, which is £45. And this one's for the hot air station, 240, and this one's £198. This £198 one is the one for my station. As you can see, it's got the connector at the back that fits mine. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do it a lot cheaper. Here's your shopping list. Right, if you go on eBay, you can pick up a foot pedal. They sell them really cheap. You can pick one up for £7.69. Or if you just type in foot pedal, it'll come up with a massive list of foot pedals. Any of these will do really. Doesn't matter which one you pick. Okay, you just scroll down, you can see there's loads of them. This is the one I went for, because it was made out of solid metal, and I got the low profile foot pedal. So yeah, this is the one I'll be using in the video, and it comes to £9.41. This one's from China. I did order it from the UK. I'll see if I can get the actual advert up quick. This is a different seller. Right, and also you need one of these, which is the GX16 aviation plug. And you need a 2-pin one for this station. If you've got a more modern station, you'll need a different connector. Yeah, so this is the one I bought anyway for my station, and it's £3.39. And lastly, you'll need 2 or 3 core cable. 2 core if you can get it, but in this video I'll use 3 core. Right, first things first, I've removed the wire that came with it, and I'll put in the cable with the wire in, and I've screwed in the retaining clip. And now I'm going to go ahead and solder 1 pin per wire. I'm ignoring the colour code at the moment, because the colour code is different to the wiring diagram for the foot pedal. So, just 1 wire per pin. Right, so I've got the pedal side of things all wired in, and I've got it screwed in. Seems to be clicking alright. Right, I'll go ahead and do the socket end of things now. Right, so I bought up the foot pedal I purchased. They provided a wiring diagram, and in the wiring diagram it's white, red and black. So it's different to the cable I use. So just go with whatever colour code you got. So red and white wire is used for normally open. Circuit is closed and on when pedal is pressed. So that's the one I'm going to go with. So when you press the pedal, it'll turn the machine on. And this one below it is black and white is used for. So that's the opposite basically. It'll turn it off if the pedal's pressed. But I won't be going with that. I'll be going with the red and white one. Right, in my case it's yellow and blue that I've got solder on, so when pedals press it'll turn it on. So I'll go ahead and solder these. Right, so now that's all done. I've got both ends soldered in, and I've got the connector plugged into the back of the machine now, so I can go ahead and test. And it's all screwed in there. Right, so normally to start this hot air station, you'd normally press this button at the front. So when you press the button, it turns the machine on, and it'll climb to temperature that you set it at the dial. And then the same again, so when you want to turn it off, you press the button again. So that's how you normally use this hot air station. Right, so now I'm going to test with the foot pedal. So on, and it's turned the machine on when pressed. And when I release it, yeah, it turns it off. So it all seems to be working correctly. So on, and it climbs the temperature, and then it turns off when released. Yeah, so this should help out anyone with JBC equipment. Doesn't matter whether it's an iron, hot air station, doesn't matter, modern, new, same principle. Just get the right connector for it. So yeah, hopefully this helps someone out. Just give it a quick test. Yeah, it seems to be working alright. Climb temperature and then off again. Right, so if you like watching the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, just hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch.